Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily share an album in your Google Photos. So in order to do this, I'll first open the Google Photos app. Once I'm in the Google Photos app, I'll go to the library option where I can find all my albums. And you can see I have this album travel. I'm going to show you how you can share this album. So I'll click on it. And now you can see you have these two options, add photos and share. You have to click on share. And once you click on the share, you can see these options. You can either share to local people by using nearby share or something like that, or you can share through WhatsApp as well. So what I will do is go and click on this get link option, and now click on create link, and you can see the link is copied. So I can easily copy use paste this link and send it to whoever I want. So that's how we can easily share a album with your friends in Google Photos app. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.